Every year I plant a small crop of lumber in my garden. It's not a large crop, just 2 or 3 extra boards each year. This year I wanted to make something special out of these boards. I wanted to build something that would encourage my viewers to support my channel by subscribing. I thought long and hard, and after some brainstorming, I came up with a great idea. Once ripe, I picked some of the boards and cleaned them up. Then I began making plans to create a wooden subscribe button out of some of the boards. To make this happen, I needed to use the laser to do some zippy-zappy. Then I had to cut them out and sand them so that they would have the perfect subscribe shape. The letters needed to be read for YouTube, and I finished it off with a couple coats of clear, shiny spray. This was a pretty simple project, so I ended up making 3 of these to triple my subscribers. Now I have some fuel for the stove this winter. Thanks for watching. Bye.